Looking to add users to your Xero account? This video is for you. Hi, if you're new here, welcome. My name's Lucy and I run Burton's Academy, where I provide accounting top tips and software training to accountants and business owners. So in Xero, what we're going to do is we're going to add a new user. So this is either maybe my accountant, this is maybe a second director of my business, you name it, we're just adding someone to my account. So what we want to do is where it says our account name, we click on that, click settings, and then click users. And then in here, what it shows us straight away is our current users. And what we want to do is just invite a new user. So I'm going to invite myself as the business owner. And what we need to do is decide what permissions to grant. So do have a read of what these permissions enable before just selecting them. So projects, you could have limited, standard, or admin. Payroll is admin payroll. Business and accounting, this one is a really important one. So you could do invoice only, you could do standard, and you can change these as well. So you could add more, you could add extra permissions, and advisor and read only. One thing to bear in mind, if you are making Tax Digital compliant, you will need someone who has permissions to this file making Tax Digital VAT returns. So you need to click this box for someone to be able to file these. And then what they will see is this tax screen along the top. They can click it and then that will now say making Tax Digital for income tax. This is specific for if you are making Tax Digital compliant person. If you're not sure about making Tax Digital, jump on over to my other videos where I talk more about making Tax Digital. But once I'm happy that I am an advisor, so I'm going to give myself all the access I can ever dream of, I don't need to send a message to say this is what we're doing and this is why you've got these permissions. I know because I'm granting them. So I'm not going to click this tick box. But if I wanted, I could tick that and it would just provide a welcome email to the user to say what this invite's for. As this email will come direct from Xero to say you've been added to this account. And then you click send invite. And then all you need to do is jump on over to that email address and accept the login. Once it's been accepted, you will then have all those permissions you've just granted. If you have any queries with this though, do reach out. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow along for more helpful top tips from Burton's Academy. See you at the next one.